OpenAI just put GPT-5.6 inside Kiro, a spec-driven coding agent that plans, builds, reviews, and tests across long-running sessions. That matters if it ships real code with fewer dead ends. If it just wraps the same agent mistakes in nicer benchmark language, then this is distribution theater for a model family we already know. Here's what actually changed. OpenAI says the full GPT 5.6 family, Sol, Terra, and Luna, is now available in Kiro. Kiro's own launch notes say the models are live across the IDE, CLI, and web, and that Kiro turns high-level intent into requirements, technical designs, and executable tasks before the model starts coding. The concrete claims are aggressive. OpenAI says GPT 5.6 Terra and Kiro completed successful Terminal Bench 2.1 tasks at roughly 82% lower cost. Kiro says Sol scores 80 on the Coding Agent Index and 88.8% on Terminal Bench 2.1, above Claude Fable 5 on both, while using less than half the output tokens and less than half the time. Kiro also says Luna is the throughput tier, and Terra is the balanced option for routine multi-step work. The operator wedge is obvious. This is not another plain chatbox model drop. It is OpenAI trying to land GPT 5.6 inside a workflow that starts with specs, keeps task structure in view, and runs across browsing, terminal work, and multi-file changes. If that holds up, the gain is not just cheaper tokens. It is fewer resets between planning, implementation, review, and test. Now the skepticism beat. The launch is real, the models are in Kiro, and the workflow surface is more structured than a raw prompt box. What is still vendor framing is the leap from benchmark wins to cleaner production work on messy repos. The strongest numbers here come from OpenAI and Kiro grading OpenAI inside Kiro. Support is still marked experimental. GPT 5.6 in Kiro is served from the United States regardless of profile region, and none of this proves the agent will miss fewer edge cases once your actual codebase fights back. This is a deliberate flagship build in the 4 to 6 minute lane because the story is about workflow shape, not just one more model placement. The real test is simple. Give Kiro a spec that touches multiple files, requires terminal work, and has obvious failure traps. Then compare GPT 5.6 against the agent path your team already trusts. If it finishes with fewer dead ends and less cleanup, this is a real operational move. If not, the benchmark glow got there before the repo truth did.